Go ahead.
Let
me.
Are you not gonna like ask the question?
Yes. Okay.
Well, do I ask him?
Go ahead.
Wait, but I won't be on camera.
Yeah, of course.
You can come into the frame.
No,
You don't
screw
have to.
you.
Just ask.
Okay. So Leo, could you tell us a little bit about what the Cornell program is all about and what it involves?
Okay, yeah. So I went to Cornell University Summer College this year and took a 3-week program named Making a Difference by Design, and its code name is DEA 1110. So what the program is basically about, it's about design thinking, hospitality, and healthcare. So it's like interdisciplinary, and you get to basically touch on each of the subjects, but it's not like a in-depth like exploration on like one of them. Like maybe like say Cornell has other courses in like psychology or business or like architecture that's 6 weeks, or like debate, and that's like more focused towards one thing, whereas this program is just like all encompassing. It's like a lot of fields. So as for design thinking, you're really trying to make like the design suited and catered towards people. And like first week we did stuff like basically we drew self-portraits, and then we made products based on like what the people liked, and then we also like experienced people with disabilities and tried to create a product that helped them. So that was sort of the design thinking part. And then for like hospitality and service, that was like this basically week 2 and week 3 like was basically this whole topic. And we also did no, there's a fly. Anyways, we also did things like we visited a hospital, like Cornell's new Cornell Health Center, and we saw how that was renovated, and they actually cut the budget down from like 100 million to 50 million, and that was really cool. And we got to learn like about like some service design, hospitality, how like to streamline a service process, and how like hospitality real works. And basically at the end of each week we get like a project. Week 1, as I mentioned, was like to design a product that would help towards people with disabilities. Week 2 was like design a restaurant actually. So we also created a floor plan. So because I actually wanted to do the architecture camp, but I was a year too young because I'm only in my junior year, and the architecture camp is only open to, I was in my sophomore year, but the architecture camp's only open to junior year students, which means that I couldn't take it. So I did the one I did, and I really liked it, but there was also a bit of architecture in it. Like we drew floor plans, and we learned how to use an architect scale, and that was quite nice. So when we designed our restaurant, we basically did that, and we like streamlined the whole service plan, like design menus and stuff. And then the 3rd week was similar, but we created like a service experience. And like a big part of that was like we have many readings after each class. So one of them was about basically what you're trying to sell nowadays is not even a product or a service, but a lot of it is an experience. So we're trying to design like a service experience that's going to help people. And that's basically a rundown of the program. Yeah, and class was like 3 hours every day, which is nice.